Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. Because this one you got about 0, so we just find only complementary solutions. So in this situation, we see that we have this one like this. So this is about original function. First derivative of the function, second derivative of the function, and third derivative of the function. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if I do first derivative, we do first derivative of this one, and you got about lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because first derivative of this one, we keep about this one in here, and later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got about lambda. Now we do second derivative, we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do third derivative of the function, so we have lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s. So we have this one. So I will put this one to change about original function. First derivative of the function, second derivative of the function, and third derivative of the function. So we have lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s plus 3 lambda square e to the power of lambda s plus 3 lambda e to the power of lambda s plus e to the power of lambda s equals to number 0. So we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. So we have lambda to the power of 3 plus 3 lambda square plus 3 lambda plus number 1. So we just have only this one in here. So this one, that's the about identity. We can write into lambda plus 1 to the power of 3 equal to number 0. So that means we will have about 3 solutions. That's about lambda equals to negative number 1. Because we have the power 3, that means we will have about 3 lambdas with negative number 1. So we have y equals to c1 e to the power of lambda s. So we change lambda into negative number 1. So we have negative s. Because the second one we have negative number 1. So in this situation, with the same negative number 1, we have c number 2. And we put about s e to the power of negative s. Because this one is about negative number 1, they are same with the first and the second one. So we need to put about s square e to the power of negative s. And this is the final answer we need to write in here. Now let's go to this one. Because we have number 0, so we just find only complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. First derivative of the function equals to lambda e to the power of lambda s. Second derivative of the function, we can put about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. And now I will put this one going here, this one going here, and this one going here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s plus 4 lambda e to the power of lambda s plus 4 e to the power of lambda s. So we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So we just have this one in here. So if we look carefully, this is about identity. So that should be about lambda plus 2, everything to the power of 2 equal to number 0. So we have two solutions. That's about lambda equals to negative number 2, lambda equals to negative number 2. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.